Hello students, in last video lecture we studied the concept of solubility and solubility product. As we know, solubility expressed in two ways, that is gram per liter and moles per liter. And after that we studied the concept of solubility product. Okay, in this video lecture we are going to start our new point, that is different expression regarding solubility products. Different expression regarding solubility product. So what is meant by solubility product? What is meant by solubility product? The product of equilibrium concentration of its constituent ions in saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt, called as solubility product. Okay, now in this lecture we are going to start the different expression of solubility product. Okay, so here are the type number 1. Consider the type AB type of salt. If you have AB type of salt, then AB type of salt. Now consider salt AB. It dissociated as reversibly dissociation takes place because it is totally sparingly soluble salt. It dissociates A plus B minus. Okay. Now what is the example regarding AB type of salt? There are few examples like salt of AgCl, salt of AgBr, salt of BaSO4, barium sulfate, etc. These are the salt consist AB type because AB means there are two molecules or two compounds, that is AgAClB. Okay. Barium A and SO4 group, that is B. Okay. Now, how to write the different expression of solubility product? Let us consider example regarding AgCl. AgCl it reversibly dissociated as Ag plus in bracket Cl minus. Okay, so what is the expression regarding solubility product? Ksp is equal to in bracket Ag plus and in bracket Cl minus. इथं काय in bracket ची काही गरज नव्हती. ठीक आहे, त्यामुळे उगीच कन्फ्युजन आपल्याला व्हायला नको. सो आय एम जस्ट रायटिंग हियर Ag plus Cl minus. Okay, these are the expression regarding solubility product of AB type of salt. Okay, now what is meant by solubility product? Product means multiplication of concentration of Ag plus and Cl minus. Hence multiplication, that is called as product. Product of equilibrium concentration. Point to be noted that these are all equilibrium concentrations because Ksp is only takes place or only calculated in equilibrium condition, but ionic product is find or calculate at any condition at any concentration. Okay, so this is the expression regarding Ksp of salt of AgCl. Okay, so it is must be sparingly soluble salt, and sparingly soluble salt the saturated solution बनवणार, थोडंसं डिझॉल्व होणार, बाकीचं आहे तसंच. Okay, so saturated solution consists sparingly soluble salt having equilibrium concentration of ionic species. Equilibrium concentration of ionic species raised to power equal to stoichiometric coefficient in balanced chemical equation called as solubility product. Okay, now you have to write another example like AgBr, barium sulfate. Okay, suppose we have to write barium sulfate, the solubility product of barium sulfate. Barium sulfate which consists ions Ba plus plus SO4 minus. Okay, it dissociated it as this is the totally solubility product only formed in case of sparingly soluble salt. Point to be remember that. So barium sulfate dissociated as Ba++ plus SO4 minus. Okay, now what is the equation for KSP? KSP is equal to in bracket Ba++ in bracket SO4 minus. Okay, it is a product of equilibrium concentration of barium and sulfate ions at saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt. म्हणजे असं असतंय सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन ऑफ स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट, कारण की स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट लेस क्वांटिटीमध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होतो, बाकीचं सॉल्ट आहे तसंच, ते सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन झालं ना. सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन ऑफ स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट ओके इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ आयोनिक स्पेसिस. हे आयोनिक स्पेसिस आहे याचा प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे मल्टिप्लिकेशन रेज टू पॉवर इक्वल टू स्टोइचियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट इन बॅलन्स इन केमिकल इक्वेशन कॉल्ड एज solubility product. Okay, this is how to write different expression of solubility product. This is the point number first, that is AB type of salt. Okay, now let us move to the another type, that is AB2 type of salt. AB2 type of salt. AB2 type of salt. AB2. Okay, so AB2 it dissociated as, let us see, AB2 it dissociated as A plus thrice there is twice of B minus. Two negative, two positive charges are there. Okay, now an example regarding AB2 type of salt is, let us consider H2S. Okay, hydrogen sulfide. Not A means that in that case sulfur is A, B2 means hydrogen is B2. Okay, now we have to dissociate hydrogen sulfide reversibly. Okay, now in AB2 type of salt we have to dissociate hydrogen sulfide reversibly, but before that I want to take some another example regarding this. I want to explain some another example regarding this, but I think KTH2S is not under the types of AB2 type of salt as per my consideration. I think here MgOH twice because I don't want to change any sequence. Okay, so Mg it is A and OH twice it is B. Okay, AB2. Okay, another example for this Al2. Okay, or MgCl2. It is easy. MgCl2. Mg that is A, Cl2 that is B. Okay, now let us take the dissociation of magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. It reversibly dissociated as MgOH twice is reversibly dissociated as Mg++. Okay, plus twice of OH minus. Mg++ plus twice of OH minus. Okay, now we want to write the solubility product equation for this reaction. We get in bracket Mg++ in bracket OH minus coefficient 2. Okay, this is the expression regarding AB2 type of salt. Okay, so solubility product ला तुम्हाला समजलेलंच असेल. solubility product सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशनचाच बनतो. सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन कसं बनतं? स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट पाण्यात टाकलं की सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन बनणार. त्यांचा आयोनिक प्रॉडक्ट त्यांचे काही जे कोएफिशियंट असतील ते म्हणजे सोल्युबिलिटी प्रॉडक्ट. त्याचा आणि प्रॉडक्ट म्हणजे कुठला, यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन, यांचं प्रॉडक्ट, आणि त्यांचे काही जे कोएफिशियंट असतील ते म्हणजे सोल्युबिलिटी प्रॉडक्ट. अँड KSP इज कॅल्क्युलेटेड only in case of equilibrium concentration or equilibrium conditions. Okay, now another example for AB2 type is MgCl2. MgCl2 I am writing here. So here are MgCl2. MgCl2 is reversibly dissociated as Mg plus twice of Cl minus Now we want to write KSP for this. KSP is equal to in bracket Mg plus in bracket Cl minus raised to 2. Okay, this is how to write KSP म्हणजे solubility product. KSP, how to write KSP for any equation or any type of salt. Okay, this is the salt number 2, AB2 type of salt. Okay, now let us move to the third type of salt. That is A to B type of salt. Third type, that is A to B. A to B type of salt. A to B type of salt. Now A to B it dissociated as A to B it dissociated, reversibly dissociated as twice A plus, twice वरती येतो आपल्याला माहिती आहे, plus B minus because I want to balance all the positive charge and negative charge in given equation. Now then how to write KSP? So KSP is equal to in bracket A plus raised to power 2. Okay, because stoichiometric coefficient in this reaction is 2. Then in bracket B minus raised to power 1. In bracket B minus raised to power 1. Okay, so this is how to write KSP in general. Okay, let us consider the example regarding this type of salt. So example will be, as I said you earlier, because in AB2 type I am writing H2S, but it included in A to B type of salt because I don't want to change any sequence in this point. So H2S, it is an example regarding A to B type of salt. Okay, now H2S reversibly dissociated as H2S, it is reversibly dissociated as twice of H plus sulfur minus twice of H plus sulfur minus. Let's see, our equation is perfectly matching. Okay, now we have to write the KSP for this equation. We get KSP is equal to in bracket H plus to the power 2 in bracket sulfur minus to the power 1. Okay, so this is the equation regarding A to B type of salt. Okay, now let us move to the next type, that is fourth type, that is AB3 type of salt. AB3 type of salt. What is the example regarding AB3 type of salt? Let us consider that we have many examples. Okay, so first of all AlI3, AlOH thrice, then FeOH thrice. Okay, this is the examples regarding AB3 type of salt because A consists first element Al and B B3 consists second element of second group, that is I3, or in that case hydroxy group. Okay. Now we want to arrange or we want to solve this KSP in AB3 type of salt. So we get AB3. It reversibly dissociated as AB3. It reversibly dissociated as A plus 3 plus thrice B minus A plus 3 thrice B minus, because B, the coefficient of B, it is 3. So 3 negative charges are there, and almost we have to balance the all negative and positive charge, hence we have to write 3 positive charge there. So total charge is completely balanced in this equation. Now we have to write KSP in this type. KSP is equal to AL or A plus 3 in bracket, because concentration always expressed in square bracket. In bracket B minus to the power 3 to the power 3, because we have to write stoichiometric coefficient equation in that position. Now this is a general equation regarding AB3 type of salt. Now we have to write the correct example regarding AB3 type of salt. First of all, I am taking a salt that is AlI3, aluminium iodide, AlI3. Okay, AlI3, it is reversibly dissociated as AlI3, it is reversibly dissociated as Al plus 3 plus thrice of I minus Al plus 3 plus thrice of I minus. Okay, then what is the equation regarding this KSP? KSP is equal to, in bracket, Al plus 3 bracket complete, then in bracket I minus to the power 3, I minus to the power 3. Okay, now let us taking another example for this type. So I am taking the most famous salt, that is aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide, it is reversibly dissociated as Al plus 3 plus thrice of OH minus Now, what is the equation for KSP? KSP is equal to, in bracket, Al plus 3 bracket complete, another bracket OH minus to the power 3. That is how to write KSP for AB3 type of salt. AB3 type of salt. Okay, now let us move to the last type, that is A2B3 type of salt. A2B3 type of salt. So, what is the dissociation regarding A2B3 type? A2B3 type of salt. Okay, so we have to dissociate first of all the salt like A2B3. So A2B3, it reversibly dissociated as twice A plus, okay, plus thrice of B minus. Oh, let us consider that I want to convert or exchange the charge, because we have to balance the total positive charge and negative charge. Hence we have to write twice of A plus and thrice of B minus. So we have to add the total charges like such as twice of A 3 plus thrice of B minus. We have to balance twice of A 3 plus and thrice of B minus minus, because we have to balance all the positive and negative charge. Okay, thrice of the minus minus means 2 minus, आपण just say 2 minus, so overall charge will be 3 into 2 6 positive and 3 into 2 6 negative. Hence there must be total charges are completely balanced in this equation. Now the KSP for this type of salt will be, KSP is equal to, in bracket, A plus 3, bracket complete, the stoichiometric coefficient that is 2, stoichiometric coefficient that is 2, into, in bracket, B minus minus or minus 2 to the power 3, to the power 3, and total positive and total negative charges get correctly balanced, because we want to arrange the proper charges. Okay, we have studied the chapter redox reaction, so I think nothing problem with that. Now the example, this is the general equation or general reaction for A to B3 type of salt. Now we have to give the proper example regarding this, like Al2SO4 thrice. Al2SO4 thrice. Point to be noted that Al2 means it is the A type. SO4 thrice means it is the A2 and it is the B3 type. Okay, so salt like Al2SO4 thrice. These are the general example regarding A to B3 type of salt. So we have to write the KSP for this type of salt is, okay, first of all we dissociate Al2SO4 thrice. It reversibly dissociated as twice of Al plus 3, twice of Al plus 3, because positive charge 3 into 2, that is 6 positive charge, plus SO4, thrice of SO4 minus minus. Okay, 3 into 2, 6 negative charges are there and 6 positive charges are there. Hence equation is correctly balanced. Then after that we have to write KSP for this type of salt. So what is the equation regarding KSP? KSP is equal to, in bracket, Al plus 3, then in bracket SO4 minus minus to the power 3, Al plus 3 in bracket, then into in bracket SO4 minus minus to the power 3. This is how to write the KSP for any type of salt. Okay, so it is really very easy for arranging or writing the KSP of any type of salt. Okay, then last point, it is the relationship between solubility and solubility product. As I said you earlier, what is the relationship between solubility and solubility product, and how to write solubility product, or how to arrange the solubility and solubility product, or what is the relationship between solubility and solubility product. Then I am giving one example so you will understand it more clearly. Now I am giving AB type of salt like AgBr. AB type of salt like AgBr. Okay, our point is relationship between solubility and solubility product. Relationship between solubility and solubility product. How to write solubility product or how to arrange solubility product. So AgBr, it is reversibly dissociated Ag plus Br minus. Okay, how to write KSP? KSP, as I said you earlier, KSP is equal to, in bracket, Ag plus, bracket complete, then in bracket Br minus, bracket complete. Okay, now point to be noted that if I am taking AgBr, it is the sparingly soluble salt. AgBr, it is the sparingly soluble salt. So in this equation we are added to the left side. I am writing the left side. Ag plus estimated initial moles, that is I want to take 1 moles of that particular reactant, 1 mole of particular reactant. Here 0 0 because reaction or dissolving or dissolution process is not starting yet. reaction सुरू झाली नाही ना, मग हे कशी मिळणार? आता तो बिकर मध्येच आहे वाटतं माझ्याकडे, भांड्यातच आहे. ओके, नाव 1 मोल पैकी किती डिसोसिएट होईना? 1 मोल पैकी बाबा x मोल डिसोसिएट झाला, 1 मोल पैकी x मोल डिसोसिएट झाला. कारण sparingly soluble, as we know, sparingly soluble salt it is dissolved in less quantity or less amount. ओके, 1 पैकी 0.2 डिसोसिएशन होणार आहे जनरली. आता ती व्हॅल्यू मला माहिती नाही, मी आपला x मानतो. x मोल डिसोसिएट याच्यातला गेला, त्याचा रिएक्टरचा x मोल कमी झाला म्हणजे प्रॉडक्टचे x वाढले ना, x आणि x झाले, हे लक्षात ठेवा इथे. त्याच्यामुळं या इक्वेशनमध्ये KSP लिहिण्यापूर्वी मला अगोदर हे लिहिलं पाहिजे. काय लिहिलं गरजेचं? x आणि x. आपण डायनेमिक्समध्ये शिकलेलो आहोत, रिएक्टंटचे x मोल कमी झाले तर प्रॉडक्टचे x वाढले ना, इकडून कमी झाले तर कुठेतरी वाढणारच आहे. सो इट विल बी x, याचे x मोल डिसोसिएट झाले तर याचे x मोल तयार होणार, याचे पण x मोल तयार होणार. देन आफ्टर दॅट वी हॅव टू राइट इक्वेशन फॉर KSP. KSP is equal to in bracket Ag plus in bracket Br minus. Okay, what is the value of Ag plus? That is equal to x. Okay, in bracket x into what is the value of Br minus? It is equal to x. So what is our KSP? KSP is equal to x square. KSP is equal to x square. Okay, then I want to write here a general equation regarding KSP. Okay, KSP is equal to x square. So KSP means solubility product. So solubility product is equal to solubility square. Is equal to solubility square. कारण की ते x तर डिझॉल्व झालेत ना, मिळाले म्हटल्यावर ते डिझॉल्व झालेली आहे. एक पैकी x चं डिसोसिएशन झालं, x मिळाले म्हणजे विरघळलेले आहे, म्हणजे हे सोल्युबल आहे. म्हणजे KSP इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वेअर म्हणजे सोल्युबिलिटीचा स्क्वेअर. KSP इज इक्वल टू सोल्युबिलिटीचा स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्ममध्ये KSP इज इक्वल टू s स्क्वेअर. ओके, therefore s is equal to under root KSP. S is equal to under root KSP. So this is the equation and how to derive the relationship between solubility and solubility product. How to derive solubility and solubility product. Okay, so you have understood it clearly. KSP is equal to solubility square, then S is equal to under root KSP. Okay, now let us take another equation for deriving relationship between solubility and solubility product. Okay, now I am giving another last example like MgBr2 salt or MgCl2 salt. Salt like MgCl2. MgCl2 it is associated as, it is a AB2 type. Want to remember that? Twice of Cl minus. We studied in chemical kinetics. So 1 mole of MgCl2 and initial mole of MgCl2 is 1. Okay, then it is dissociated reversibly as Mg plus twice of Cl minus. 1 मोल MgCl2 घेतलाय, x मोलचं डिसोसिएशन झालंय म्हणजे 1 मायनस x. ओके, x मोलचं डिसोसिएशन झालंय म्हणजे हा x तयार होणार आणि हा twice of x तयार होणार because stoichiometric coefficient of chloride ion is 2. Then I want to write here x. MgCl2 1 मोल घेतला होता, त्यापैकी x मोलचं डिसोसिएशन झालं, x मोल हा कारण त्याचा कोएफिशिएंट 1 आहे, याचा दोन्ही म्हटल्यावरती हा twice of x. Okay, now we have to write KSP for this. KSP is equal to in bracket Mg plus in bracket Cl minus the power 2 because we studied the how to write KSP. Then putting the value of this concentration in bracket x into what is the value of Cl minus, that is equal to twice of x, then Cl minus value to the power 2. Okay, then twice of x, that is equal to 4x cube. I think 4x cube. काय बुक मध्ये x च्या ऐवजी s वापरलाय, सोल्युबिलिटीचा s वापरलाय. तसं काय अडचण नाहीये, s वापरलं तर 4s क्यूब होणार आहे. म्हणजे सिंपली फक्त रिप्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये थोडंसं व्हेरिएशन आहे, बाकी काय अडचण नाहीये नाही. ओके, दिस इज हाऊ टू राईट और हाऊ टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन रिगार्डिंग solubility and solubility product. Now you have to calculate the solubility product and solubility or relationship between solubility and solubility product for this equation. मी तुम्हाला एक इक्वेशन देतो होमवर्कसाठी, त्याला तुम्ही solubility आणि solubility productचं जे इक्वेशन असं बनवून मी तुम्हाला शिकवतो, कसं बनवायचं. होमवर्क फॉर यू. Derive relationship between solubility and solubility product. Derive relationship between solubility and solubility product, that is ASP. Equation number first, Al2SO4 thrice. Al2SO4 thrice. Then equation second, Ca3 or Ca2PO4 thrice. Ca2PO4 thrice. We have to calculate. You have to calculate the relationship between solubility and solubility product. मग असे कसं आलं होतं, S is equal to under root KSP. त्या पद्धतीचे या दोन इक्वेशनचे फॉर्म्युले तुम्ही बनवा आणि कमेंट सेक्शनला टाका, व्हॉट्सअपवरती ग्रुपवरती टाका किंवा पर्सनली टाका. ओके, इन दिस लेक्चर वी स्टडीड द हाऊ टू एक्सप्रेस solubility product, okay, in different types of salt. Hopefully you have understood this lecture. In next video lecture we will discuss next point. Thank you.